think this is right down there where I said.
I have to make a U-turn. 0.4 miles on the left-hand side.
Over?
Not yet.
I could have made that.
I'm sorry, but I couldn't. Okay.
Over one more.
Yeah, I see it up there. It's under that Buddy's barbecue. You make a left-hand turn.
Oh, Econo Lodge right there.
Yeah, right next to Cracker Barrel.
Yeah. Oh, we won't be able to eat a Cracker Barrel now. Oh, there's gas right there at Kroger's. You got your Kroger card?
Yeah.
We can eat Cracker Barrels. Well, that's why I couldn't see Buddy's barbecue, because it's across the street.
Looks like you have to make a U-turn to get in there. I don't know if you can get in there behind there or not. I should go down to Kroger's and get gas.
You want to do that? It looks like there's a street down there. The car just came in there.
Okay.
I thought. Maybe not.
Oh, yeah, you know, I think you're right.
Now, we'll probably have to go individually to get across here, unless we get in a big opening.
Right.
So if I go, doesn't mean you have to go.
Right.
All right, just as long as you're on the same page. We'll have to wait for this guy forever, or gal.
A lot of traffic.
Yeah, there's an entrance right down here.
Okay.
You want to get gas now, or just go to the hotel?
Just go to the hotel. Get rid of this stuff.
Wonder if we can park up front here. Looks like bikers.